I'm not perfect.
I'm not asking to be perfect, just not
You got to remember hitting this
crazy.
table.
Yes,
you got
I
to
know.
try to stay off the table.
Okay.
You're wasting your minutes.
Hi, everybody. This is, let's try 2. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Step by Step Farming. I'm Yvonne.
And I'm Ed.
Today, we want to share a little bit about ourselves, about why we created this channel, why we're doing what we're doing, and what we're hoping to accomplish. Mm-hmm. So I'll just start a little bit about us. So I know that we've been married for 27?
Long time. Seems like yesterday.
It's a long time, but it's been really good. And but we've been together for 30 years. And we've got 6 kids, ranging from young adult to about kindergarten. So we've got like a really big spread. And so probably about 15 years ago, I decided, I was like just off of a whim. I was like, I think I kind of want to start a garden. Now, let me just share with you a little bit about me, and then he can share about him if he wants to. But I grew up in the city, and I had no desire for the majority part of my life to want to know how to garden. I didn't care about canning. I didn't care about none of that. Didn't really even know how to cook that well at the time. So for me, this was all like a new experience. And I guess I just kind of had that spirit already inside of me and just didn't really know it. And so that's why, like I said, 15 years ago, I decided just all of a sudden, maybe I might want to think about starting our own garden.
Well, I'm from the country, so for me that was nothing. I had worked on hog farms. I had worked in gardens. I wanted no part of it. Mm-hmm. None. Let me go to the grocery store, get my food, bring it home, cook. Hey, I'm good to go.
Right. And I think that's where we were at, and the majority of people are at, is that it's just very convenient. Go to the grocery store, let me get, a couple things I need for maybe tonight and tomorrow. And, we have enough food in our cabinets maybe to last 1 or 2 days, maybe a lot of times not even a full week. And so we just continue to go to the grocery store and the grocery store all over again. But part of the reason for this channel is because there's a lot of things that are going on. Now, one of the reasons why I thought about doing the channel is because 15 years ago, that's when I started my first garden. But then we started doing other things and storing up food. I learned how to can. All that stuff I had to teach myself how to do. I started doing some canning and saving my seeds and stuff like that. And so looking into natural ways to try to heal my body versus using medicine and stuff like that. And so, I've had some friends of mine over the years, they may say, hey, how do you do this? Or what do you think about that? Or what should I take for this? And so from that, I've realized even from myself that we have become very far removed from a lot of these things that are natural. How to slaughter our own animals. How to grow our own food.
How to build things.
Right. So we're like so super far removed, and we're so dependent on other people doing it for us, or we just buy it, at the store. Right. But times are changing. Would you agree?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Definitely so. And matter of fact, today, you can't afford to not do it. Mm-hmm. You can't afford to not store up food today. You can't afford to not raise your own animals.
If you're able to.
If you're able to, yeah. For those who have property, understand that some live in apartments. They may have to adjust, accordingly to that.
Right. So things are changing, and things are changing very fast. And so there's a lot of, job losses. There's a lot of unstable times. There's a lot of natural disasters that are happening. And none of us are exempt from being exposed to any of that. But the whole point is that we need to be able to be as prepared as possible with what resources we all have available. So I know some people may have more, some people may have less. People may live in a small, tiny apartment in the inner city. Some people may have a lot of land in the country. We're not pinpointing necessarily a specific like group of people or anything like that. Our whole goal is we just want people to get prepared in whatever way that is, so that when things do happen, and things are bound to happen, that you are not caught off guard.
Well, the beautiful thing about it is, and I'm so grateful for the channel, is we're actually going to be teaching people how to do things step by step. It's one way to tell people how to do it, but when you can show them how to do it, you know, that's what's most important. And another thing that I love about this channel that we have is we're a family.
Right.
And so you'll see our family involved in different things. You'll see us having different experiences. We'll put that up, but you'll see how we interact and also how our family interact. And we have a lot of fun.
I love working with him.
Oh, I love working with him.
And that is not a show.
No,
for those
not.
Of y'all that know us, that
she
is
loves
really
me a lot.
Yeah, that's really truly how we are. But you know, he makes a very, very good point. Our whole goal is to not just throw things out there to you and tell you, okay, this is what you do. We want to try to show it to you exactly how we would do it in a very simple, easy, like totally
Simple.
very simple way. Very simple way. And our whole goal too is to help you guys to be able to grow in confidence so that you can try more things and even teach your kids how to do things that maybe you never learned how to do.
Right.
Yep.
Look forward to it.
All right. Well, we appreciate you guys so much for coming. We really, truly appreciate you guys joining in. We hope to be able to put a whole lot more content out there for you that you all feel is going to be of value. And if there are things that you all would like for us to do, if we are able to do it, put it in the comments below and we will do our best. Okay. We appreciate you guys.
Sure do.
All right. Have a good one.
Take care.
Bye.